Hi guys, welcome back to Brookman Rider. Just want to say thank you for your support over this year. It's been amazing. Have a very Merry Christmas. And here's a quick little review of the GS650 from BMW. Been getting into my adventure bikes recently. Wanted to ride this bike. Unfortunately, it's only a very small review. My GoPro did die. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next year for more videos. Hi guys, welcome back for another first ride on Brookman Rider. Today we're on a pretty special bike, a GS650 from BMW. Now this is a bike, again, adventure style bike. Been really wanting to ride one of these, and I finally found one that I can ride. Alright, let's go. Alright, so first thing off the bat, I haven't got very long on this video. My GoPro is going to die very quickly. But first thing, I noticed straight away the vibrations on this bike. Oh my goodness. If you own one of these bikes, tell me that you could get rid of those vibrations somehow. They are pretty bad. But nonetheless, feels like a fantastic bike. Pretty clunky though, like down low. If you're in the wrong gear, it doesn't like you at all. But yeah, pretty good power. Obviously this is a 650. I've just done a loop. Alright. So yeah, 650 twin, I believe. Can't remember, I think it's a twin. And yeah, adventure style bike. Really comfortable. Feels really planted. It's a great suspension. I think it's got Shaq's suspension, which are pretty good for this level of bike. Yeah, really good seating position. Really comfy. And yeah, good amount of power. I'm impressed with the power delivery on this bike. It's got good pickup. It hits the rev limiter pretty quick, but other than that, really nice. Yeah, I'm really sorry guys, I don't have long for this video, but hopefully you guys get the idea. The gearbox, I will say, feels strange. I don't know if it's just the age of the bike or what it is, but yeah, it feels very, 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 very strange. It almost feels like I'm out of the gear, if that makes sense. Like really clunky. But yeah, it is an older bike. I'm just going around the block here, guys, just to get used to it. Last time I was out here, I got a bit lost, so don't want to get lost this time. But yeah, brakes feel good. Go down this way. Yeah, it's got heated grips, this bike, but I just it's got yeah, everything else is pretty standard. Jesus, that gearbox. I don't know if it's maybe just this year model, or I don't know, but maybe because it's an older bike, not a smooth gearbox. Comparing it to the other bikes that I've ridden, the BMW, the KTM, smaller capacity, yeah, no, that's a gearbox isn't a win for me, but the power is pretty good. It is better than obviously bigger capacity, but shall go all the way down here. But yeah, handling feels good. It doesn't feel that heavy actually, even though this is probably the heaviest bike that I've ridden so far in this category.